Often when I'm not expecting company, I'll bake a cake and cut it into chunks. Either I'll make 2 or 3 layers and freeze a couple of layers, or I'll make a sheet cake and cut it into sections and freeze part of it so that I can have fresh cake in a few days. So I'm trying to make just a small batch of my favorite chocolate frosting, buttercream frosting. And it is very easy to get too much liquid in it, and then your frosting is runny and it'll just run off the cake. So how do you fix runny frosting? It's very easy. All you need to do is keep some powdered sugar on hand. Now this type frosting is made with powdered sugar, but this method of fixing runny frosting will work no matter what kind of frosting you have. Most kinds of frosting, even if it's a cooked frosting, the 7-minute or White Mountain frosting, you can also fix this way. All you have to do is add just a little bit more powdered sugar and stir it up. And there you go, your problem is solved. Frosting is no longer runny, and it should spread beautifully on the cake. It's perfect. Thanks for stopping by.